Yeah, Pakistan made two changes. Abrar comes in and Wasim Jr. also walks into the side in place of Fahim Ashraf and skipper not well. A little bit of outswing for Naseem Shah.
Nicely onto the bat and forced beautifully by Pathum Nissanka. Lovely sound of that leather hitting the willow, and it raced away to the boundary. Short and wide. Now don't give batters width. And particularly Kamil Mishara loves it because he goes very strong, square and through extra cover.
Oh, very lucky Nissanka. Almost getting the inside edge onto the stumps. Did he get enough on it? Yes, he did. That will race away to 4, opening the blade at the last second.
Oh, inside edge. That will run away to the boundary. That wasn't wide of the crease. That was more closer to the stumps.
Oh, this is nicely worked away, clipped away for 4 runs.
Brilliant. Gives the ball a touch of air and deceives the batsman in the flight. A genuine edge. Is that the first wicket? Ran back for 3, the throw from in the deep. And the pictures tell you the batsman might not have made it.
Oh, what a throw. What a throw that was. 1 bounce. And he was way out of the crease. Even the dive didn't work. This is a big wicket for Pakistan. Nissanka is a capable batsman. Goes for 24.
Out walks Kushal Mendes in at 3. A wild swing and a miss. Rizwan asks whether Mishara dragged his foot outside the crease. Faisal Afridi is going to send this upstairs.
No, but I can see the lights on the stumps. Yeah, the toes are on the line.
This is top stuff from Pakistan. An excellent piece of bowling once again from Abrar. He goes for 27.
It's not an easy surface for a newcomer batter.
A rare bad delivery from Wasim Jr. onto the pads and clipped it away for 4.
Short, hit well. That's set up. First boundary for Samara Vikrama.
This time around, he was a little short outside the off stump, bit more pace on it. And Mendes used that pace nicely.
Gone. As we see it, that's a dolly to short mid-wicket. Kusal Mendes, he's walking back.
Just got cramped with his swing of the bat. There you go. He just had no control over the shot, and there's only man standing in the deep, and that's why you see those eyes lit up. That what has he done? Kushal Mendes gone for 20. Is 90 for 3.
Sri Lanka's captain Charita Salanka.
This is what Sri Lanka needs frequently. That is close, given Asalanka was deceived with the flight and also the wrong arm. He was all tangled. After conferring with his partner, he has referred it.
Pitching in line, impact in line, and wickets hitting. Shoykot, you can stay with your original decision of out.
Excellent on-field decision, and it stays with Pakistan. Goes for 6, 98 for 4.
And it's Janath Lianage who's arrived at the crease. He's got a job to do. That is a brilliant hit. What a shot that was. That's nicely played. Use the pace to perfection to find that boundary.
Nice use of the feet. And that is a very good shot. One bounce for 4.
Lovely bit of width, and Janit Lianage. There's always a bit more energy, Roshan, when he's out there. Upish, hammered, and it goes all the way. Slight angle towards the pads, and Samara Vikrama, he dispatches it over the boundary. Bowled. There we go. We were talking about wickets in this phase. Haris Rauf, even though he's expensive, he always does the job for you.
Well, did it stay down? I think it did. That's what happened. Didn't bounce as much, and a bit of extra pace that time. 145. And wicket at a very, very important moment, I'll tell you. Pakistan was desperate for this. And Samara Vikram, after a very good start, looking good for something big. Out for 42. Sri Lanka, 159 for 5.
Kamindu Mendis got a role to play here. Build a partnership again.
Goes over the top. That's a very bold shot. One bounce, I think, for 4. Kamindu Mendis gets off the mark.
Lovely, lovely. Really, really good from Kamindu Mendis. He's looking to be positive.
Edged and flies through the slip cordon, which was empty. Big shot. That is clubbed away. One bounce into the fence and closes the over out with the boundary. Fantastic scenes here at the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium. As support for the home side and more importantly for the touring side.
Not a good delivery to end the over. A very friendly delivery. And Kamindu Mendis pounced on that opportunity and picked up a boundary.
Drops it short and pays the price. A half century of very measured and classy approach from the Sri Lankan campaigner. Janit Lianage brings up his 7th 50 in one-day international cricket.
Yeah, played with the method. Played the situation very well. Janit Lianage, he's a street smart cricketer.
Watch this ball fly. Watch this ball fly all the way. Another long hop. This one goes the distance.
Goes big, huge. Oh no, in fact, it's straight to the fielder. For a moment, I thought he cleared the boundary.
I don't think he got it from the middle of the bat. That's why that ball didn't carry to the boundary. Mendes goes for 44. It's 232 for 6 now.
A best of 80 over 1,000 runs. Strike rate of over 100. Short delivery. And taken at mid-wicket. That is a soft dismissal. That break hasn't helped Lianage or Sri Lanka. That is a very, very soft dismissal.
He was looking dangerous, Lianage. Again, ball hitting the higher part of the bat. And a comfortable catch, Mohammad Nawaz. Lianage gone for 54, 241 for 7.
Is that going down the leg? Oh, given. That's given. There was always a chance of that being out, but he's referred it.
Pitching outside off. Impacts in line. And wickets, umpire's call. Your on-screen signal now.
Gone without scoring, Chamiras, 244 for 8.
Pramod Madhushan is the new batter. He's in the side for Mahesh Deekshana.
This is beautiful. Pure timing.